Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to run y'all through our research on some men's clothing made in the USA, specifically khakis and chinos. Obviously these are an everyday staple that are in a lot of closets, so if you're looking for a high quality pair that's made domestically by American workers, definitely stick around. Now the terms khakis and chinos are typically used pretty interchangeably, but there are some technical differences between the two different types of pants, with khakis typically being a little bit more of a heavier material and casual wear, with chinos being a little bit lighter and a little bit more of a formal touch. But I'd say most brands actually mix the terms and use them interchangeably anyways, so I wouldn't worry about it too much in your research. Just make sure to look at the specific materials that they're using and the fit of the pant to make sure it's exactly what you're looking for. Now we go into a lot more detail in our written research on allamerican.org on specific materials and how that actually helps you find stuff that's American made. And we also obviously have every single khaki and chino manufacturer that we could find that's made in the USA. So I'll put a link to that research in the description below for y'all to check out. And in today's video, we're just gonna hit the highlights of some of our favorite khaki and chino brands that are made right here. All right, let's dive into these American-made brands, shall we? Let's start with American Giant, which is one of the everyday wear khakis that I have in my closet. American Giant is a pretty well-known brand that's based in San Francisco that is doing everything local. I have a pair of their roughneck pants right here in the mahogany color, I believe. I've been wearing them pretty consistently for the last few years, and they've really shown no signs of wear and tear. They age really nicely and are super comfortable, and American Giant is always really transparent about where their materials are sourced from and where they do all of their production. They have a few solid colors to choose from and a couple of different styles outside of just the roughneck pant. I have the mahogany color, like I mentioned, but again, lots of really good options here and can't recommend these guys enough. Next up is Devium. These folks are based in Truckee, California, and have a great selection of work khakis and chinos that are 100% American made. Their workhorse chino pant is definitely their most popular. It has an excellent range of motion and won't blow out over time. They also have a hidden zippered fifth pocket for valuables, which I'm a pockets kind of guy, so I really appreciate it. Next up is Runabout Goods. Runabout Goods is based in Pasadena, California, and has a lot of great men's chinos and kind of a classic 50s and 60s style, and a lot of military inspired stuff as well. Their chino and trail pants have a more traditional feel, and if you want some old school cargo pockets, check out their Ranger and Recon styles, which are both pretty neat. Next up is Warren. Warren's based in Woodstock, Vermont, and makes a great selection of American-made chinos that really combine traditional style and modern sustainability with a really low carbon footprint across their entire supply chain. They use organic cotton and classic tailoring, and all of their chinos are cut and sewn in New England with a really big focus on long-term wear, so they're really durable. I recommend checking out their Pomfret Country Chino, which is definitely their most popular and a good traditional style. Next up is Jack Donnelly. These folks are based in Austin, Texas, and I actually have two pairs of their khakis right here, which I don't wear as often as like my American Giant ones or grown&sewn, which I'll show y'all in a second, but they're really good for more business casual and semi-formal events for me. They have straight, tapered, relaxed, and slim fits, so you can find pretty much any fit you're looking for with these guys. I will say that they don't have a ton of color options, but if you're looking for kind of a traditional khaki color like these, and I also have a pair of their navy khakis as well, which I'm not sure if they actually sell those in their store still. I got these a couple of years ago, but if you're looking again for these more traditional colors, they have a really good selection. And the other pair of khakis that I own is from a company called Grown&Sewn. These guys are based in Brooklyn, New York, and are making all of their stuff locally as well. These have a bit more of a relaxed fit for me, so they're pretty much my go-to pair when I want something in this kind of traditional khaki color, but a bit more of a casual style. And the last brand I'll mention in today's video is Save Khaki United. Now the name is pretty much a dead giveaway, but they also make a lot of other stuff besides khakis. But keeping with the theme of the video, I really like their original twill chino as well as their All-American chino, which is actually a partnership with another great brand called Imogene and Willie, which is 100% made and sourced in the US. And one last note on these guys, they also have a distressed option if you want something a little bit more faded. All right, y'all, that's it for today. Let me know in the comments below if I missed any of your favorites or if you have any questions, and I will see y'all in the next one.